So I can look at this page through the browser, through an actual browser here. So after I look at this, I have on my left-hand side the code. What the code looks like is over here, but what's cool is right now I can select this side of my design view window and I can see where the code is here. I can also go to a live view, and I could say live, and I could actually see this in action a little bit. So here are my links. I can see the colors, my pseudo classes for my hover states, and I can go down and see the formatting, and notice I actually have the HTML5 rounded edges, which is an HTML5 element that's applied to my borders. So if I actually went to my header, up in my header area, and something like that, one of the things that you'll want to see. Oops, I'm going to go to my non-live view, my design view. If I click on my header, I can see its width and its height values, its margins, and I can see a lot of information about that in my CS. And I can see my borders and how I have rounded borders. And so I have my CSS values here. I also can see I have my source code here, and I have my CSS here. So I can actually see my HTML, my source code is my HTML. I can actually see any style sheets that I have also connected right there in my page, so I can move back and forth from one thing to the next. This border top radius defines my rounded corners. It's an HTML5 element. So all of that information is right here at my fingertips when I'm using DreamWeaver and the interface with it. So the next thing we're going to talk about is a site definition and setting up a site, setting up a portable site, and those things. So I hope you are exploring. Just explore the interface. Don't be afraid of changing things and figuring out how it works. You got to be comfortable with it. There's a lot to it. It can be confusing. It can be kind of overwhelming, but stick to the basic layouts and then build on your knowledge from that point on. Okay.